different faces, still the same name, same soil, same flag in our hands. Still you ask, where do you stand? We say Indian, you still deny, so tell us now, why? If the flag is one, why divide? Why must we prove we belong inside? We Northeast people, who do you see? Chin Chinese or just not we? Are we not Indian? Tell us why. Why do you doubt when we reply? We say we're Indian, still you question, still you push us away again. What's wrong if we look this way? Answer us now, don't turn away. What's wrong if we look like Chinese? Is there a problem? Answer please. Is our face something you despise? Are you targeting us, calling us names? Is this what you call a game? Why don't you see us as equals? Who gave the right to judge our lives? Who gave the right to strike or attack just for a face against our will? Is this how India stands today? Is this democracy's way? We speak, we bleed, we wait in line while justice looks away again. Is this democracy's way? Is this democracy's? If unity lives in every line, why are we left behind? We Northeast people, who do you see? Chin Chinese or just not we? Do you see us like Momo on a plate? Tell us why, tell us why. Are we Chinese or Chin? Why do you doubt when we reply? We say we're Indian, still you question, still you push us out of the nation. What's wrong if we look this way? Answer us now, don't turn away. Where is justice? Where does it hide? If law stays silent, who decides? We Northeast people, hear us say we are Indian, not your shame. Same blood, same sky, same land, still you don't understand. We are the people from Northeast, loud and clear. Not your doubt, not your fear. What's wrong if we look this way? We are the people from Northeast. Say it today. We are the people from Northeast. Say it again. We are voices.